guys, I am Tanish Jain and welcome to my channel. And you are watching The Coding Learner. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to receive all interesting videos related to coding. So without wasting our time, let's get started. So as you have read in description that this video is about command prompt, which is very useful in our daily life for programmers, for hacking, for everything you use. Because this is the generations of computer programming. So I will show you some amazing codes about it. So first of all, open your laptops and go to the search bar and write command prompt. As you can see, click enter. Post code to write in this is help color, which help you to change the color of the text used in command prompt. Let me click continue. Show you one example, like if I write color 1, it changes to blue. When I write color, it changes to gray. As you can see, like you can change the color of the text as you wish, which looks like very nice in command prompt when you do coding or programming. So I like the color most, which give hacker-like look, is color. Code to give you is help prompt. It help you to change the username of your text. Like, let me show you. Here it is written C:/users/Arihant greater than sign. Now I have to change this and convert it into Tanish@hacker, and for it changes like so. You have to only write help prompt, then you can see this, click on continue, and again write prompt, and the username you have to change in that, which is not a code. You can say like it's a title. So if I want to change the title here is command prompt, you can see at the top. So if I change it into hacking in progress, how will it look? See, like it changed into hacking in progress, which look very cool when you do coding. As any of your friend you can show who don't know much about codes and programming, so you can show him that, see, like I'm hacking, and you can just code anything in that, and you can just change the title of this. So it's cool. So the next thing, and you can see this, which is very cool. I don't know who had made this, but this is very amazing because it's cool. You can see Star Wars. You can see this Star Wars in command prompt. You can just imagine how cool it is. So I don't have much time because I don't want my first video to be longer. So I will show you the next code. And for the next code, first of all, I will open my file manager, volume T. I will write here for hiding any folder. Like if you write this code, then only you can see the folder, or it will be hidden only. The code is the folder which you have to hide. Okay. was a folder named Tanish. Now it's hidden. Now when you write the code like folder, enter, you can have to hide any of your important documents or anything. You can hide like this without writing the code. They will never see. So that's all for today. Bye guys. If you like this video, please like and comment that how much you like this video. Please rate and subscribe and press the bell icon to receive interesting videos like this.